after the 2 p.m. news driver, right? So this would be one of the most nice to see says, oh, you got a red folder in the afternoon, just don't trade in the morning session. Just come back after 2 p.m. Okay. What I like here is the Dixie weekly, and I like how we respected this here, 50%. I believe we're going to continue moving up higher. If we can get through this here on the weekly, we'll probably run up, hit constant encroachment or mean threshold of it, come down to a, lower time frame uh, inefficiency and move up higher. And that's what I think for Dixie. Just respecting this inverse. If this was inverse, then this was inverse. All this here is just consolidation, run up, internal, range liquidity. Look how we just come down to internal, run back up to internal, and now we come down to this would have been internal, but we inverse that. So the next strong liquidity will be this external range liquidity, but we just come to constant encroachment of this wick, and now we're moving up. So I like how we inverse this here, and now we're coming back down and respecting the low of this fair value gap with this low here, which was made. I think this was made last week. So this low here was made last week, which was this low here at a pivotal point, given that this is a bull shorter block, low of this inverse fair value gap all the way over here, right? And you can even consider this as a bull shorter block that it's respecting. And now we're moving up. What will be I believe, the telltale sign of whether or not on the monthly we are in fact going to close above this inverse fair value gap is if we can get above this daily or this weekly constant encroachment right here at 105. So that's like right here. And the high of that, the body will just be this 105, 105, 313, which on the monthly that's translates to 105, 313. That translates to right here, which would be the high of this inverse fair value gap. So a lot of interesting stuff. Interesting stuff. Index C's on the monthly are they're just roaring on the monthly. They're not showing any signs of our indexes. This looks like a really I mean I know this is the monthly or the June contract, but this dip here, boom, run back up, closing above this high here in 9 days. This will continue to move us higher. I believe. I believe. Back to the daily. Do 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 do. So again, internal range, took out external here, and we're still above that all-time high that we took out here. After we took that out, came back yesterday for internal range liquidity, almost balancing out this fair value gap here. And then we had this bullish short black right here, balancing that out. Boom, went back up. Now the idea is we had one, two, potentially three retracements on our way up. So after the second one, the third retracement usually triggers the reversal on the market maker buy model. Yeah, man, we can still have the other side of the market maker buy model and be bullish, but not displace below the original consolidation. We can go as low as to the 72% retracement level of this entire range here and continue moving up, or we can go to the high of the original um, place of consolidation and continue moving up higher. So what if we get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle run into this weekly change set delivery on the daily and to continue coming down. But anyways, this is internal range liquidity into internal range liquidity. So let's see if this inverses or it remains open. Okay, so this chart here looks like a mess, an absolute mess. 4 hour. Again, I believe this is our. I believe this is the price. This is the. Although this isn't the 4 hour. I believe this is our manipulation link that we're working with. I think it's on the 15. Right, so thinking about the market maker model, we're in the buy model, obviously. This was manipulation stage one. Actually, stage one was right here. Stage two, accumulation, manipulation, run up. I believe that is our stage one and stage two. Let me just get rid of all these things here. Right, we do have this as a potential sell side liquidity. I like how yesterday we ran up, took out these highs here. So now we're seeking internal range liquidity, which we got with this 5 candle run on the hourly into this fair value gap here. And then we continued manipulation, and now we're moving up to the upside. So where exactly is this? I believe it's in the upper quadrant of this price leg here. Yeah, this is in upper quadrant, upper 25% here. Fair value gap holding, come down, almost hit the low of this here. So we might have relative equal lows down there, which could be a done on purpose so people can put their sell stops right there if they're gonna go long. Let's see. Uh, Going to the hourly, digging a little bit deeper, given that we took out external range. We can't afford standard deviation exactly here. This was during the Asia session yesterday at 10 p.m. Came down, run up, model 14 of this constant encroachment of this wick here. And then that's when we got our 5 candle run starting during the Asia session into the London session. Coming down into this bullish um, order block right here. And this order block it's interesting because we have a inverse here. And so consolidated and we just moved up higher. So really good price action. Also respecting the bodies of this bullish order block as well. Boom, wick down. This wick looks exactly like what we have here into this 4 hour BISI, as well as what we had here um, into this time frame here. So those wicks, they're telling. I know people like to compare it to like the pinball machine. Pull it back and you let go and boom, goes higher. So I do believe we can come for these highs that um, we made um, 10 p.m. So I'll just put this up here, buy side. We also created an internal swing high here. That price. Why do we create? I don't know why we created this high here, but I know that we have a hourly change instead of delivery, accumulation. This could be our manipulation, and then we could very well distribute above it. Um, so again, internal range, and we're seeking external range. We took out this here along the same sell side. Some about these relative equal lows out here. Oh yeah, this one here. Yeah, I think we can maybe. Yeah, or we came down here. This is almost like an external range liquidity, drawing liquidity here. And then we come up to take out, we come up to take out this strong liquidity here inside of a fair value gap right in here. So we might be wicking in this. Notice how we worked in there, came back to internal range liquidity here, creating this balance price range on the hourly. And now we're back up into this range again. So this is just one, two, second time, and we're on the buy side of the curve. So we had accumulation, run up, stage one, come down, take this out. Not really stage two, but one could call it stage two. Well, bottom line is that we have this last stage here, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So then we have stage one here, run up, take this high out here, run up here, take that out again. Potential stage two, and now we're running back up. So we'll see if we can inverse this fair value gap here or be stopped here. This is stage one. Stage two will be to take out external range liquidity size right here, which we did. No, we don't need to displace above it. We just need to get like a draw. And then, of course, the video we watched yesterday, if we don't displace above, just a draw, then we're coming back down for internal range liquidity, which if we look on the 5 minute really quickly, I'm going to go back to this 15-minute chart. The 5 minute, after we took this out, here we have internal range liquidity right here. How cool is that? Here's our internal range liquidity, bias respected. And now we're moving up, and expectations that we take out external range. So we failed to take out external range. Now we're coming back into some internal range on the 5 minute. And I think this will be the telltale sign of whether or not if If we inverse this, then we're coming for these lows here, potentially into this fair value gap, running there. We do have 4 more minutes left. Did that answer your question? This one? This one? Free. So, I agree. I think that price is not, well, this fair value gap is mitigating price from going higher. And one reason why I believe so is because we have consolidation here. This is consolidation. And after consolidation, one of the rules we have is we want to see a fair value gap come out of the consolidation. So technically, this is the start of a market maker sell model. And then this is the buy side of the curve. So we're back into our original consolidation, right? So we want to inverse this and continue moving up higher. Or like you said, we have no breaking structure. There's no confirmation that we're going to continue up higher because we don't displace above here. So we could very well look for these lows down here as well as these lows down here. So and then after we have our consolidation, we have a market maker sell model. This is the sell side of the curve. And then we go to the buy side of the curve, into back into the original consolidation. We could take yeah, we could take, okay. We have this bullish order block right here. Let's see what this can offer us. Just gonna add this here. Ding, 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 ding. Look how we just look how we came down to this fair value gap right here. So we hit external, or this fair value gap here came down to internal, and this was a five candle run. One, two, three, well, four candle run, and now it's on his way up. So we have our London high here, Asia high is here. Let's see, let's see. This was a valid entry right here on the 1 minute, given that we had the sell side, now we have the buy side of the curve. And this is a one, two, three, four. If we take this here, wait, what is this? I believe this is here. This is stage one. Running up here, displacing above this will make this stage two. And we could very well come back down to this 15-minute order block after we take out these highs up here. Yeah, let's look at the hourly because we love the hourly. We love us some hourly. All right, 4 hour, 30 more minutes left. If we can close above this 4 hour, then we're definitely gonna continue moving up higher. This will be a change in state delivery after coming into this fair value gap here within the higher, within this range's upper quadrant. So this is going to be very bullish. We got 30 more minutes left to go with that. So we went from internal range. Now here we're coming for external. So we just took out those out. We just took those sides out. And wow, look at ES. ES is weak. Could ES be the sixth sister? Could we have this? This looks like it. Oh, you don't know about the sixth sister concept? It's fine. Yeah, no, this looks like S&T. We might be reversing. I think we might be reversing. So looking at the checklist, we have external range liquidity has been taken. This is stage one, stage two of the market maker buy model. Now we're going down to our low time frame. Now we want to look for like a setup, like an AMD potential setup. Um, yeah, we want stop hunt. When I stop, hunt on stop hunts, which will be this here. Market structure shift would be to the downside. I'll probably be this low right here for a market structure shift inside this fair value gap. Um, and then maybe a 5 minute change of state delivery. We have 10 seconds left, so could this be the change of state delivery? Maybe. Um, yeah, so we'll see. What else am I missing? 2.5 lines up right here. Of this last OB, if we take this entire range here, 2.5 is up here. Yep, so we'll see. We shall see. We could take the last one here, which was this one. 2.5 is where we hit. Boom, exactly. On that 5, as well as on the 15. All right, so we just banged twice at 2.5. Now I'm just looking on the 1 minute for like a reversal setup. Maybe market structure shift would be here. Right, this low right here would be a market structure shift for the swing low. Boom. Or maybe this. Yeah, that's part of it. That would be this. This here would be our 5 minute change instead of delivery. Um, that's if we can get it though. We come down to this fair value gap. Bulls are in charge. Now we're moving up. Let's see where you want us to go, Bulls. That's good. Stay in charge because you won't be in there forever. Here we have this 5 minute bull shorter block. Boom, we're tapping into. So change state of delivery, 5 minute bull shorter block. Um, rejected, or not rejected, but violated. And then we have this 15-minute bull shorter block. See that get dug into. Maybe you can get a retracement. So it's like we come down to this 15 minute. If all this plays out like how we think it might, and we come down to this 15 minute, we get a retracement into optical trade entry between this price like here. So it will be between this price like here and here. Let's just say that we come down here exactly on 15 and retrace. Optical trade entry would be like right here, which would be here on the 1 minute. So if we were to enter there, um, 10 points will be up here. So that's a good risk reward. Coming for these highs again, all-time highs again. Yes. Yeah. Let's see. One, two, three, four. All right. So here we come into the 15-minute order block. Let's see if we can get a response from that. Get a swing low here. If we don't get a swing low there, then that's fine. Hopefully, we can take these out first and then get us a swing low. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, look at that. Boom. Look at that candle or that wick. Let's see. Let's look on the 15 second, see what this looks like. Go ahead, inverse that. Inverse it. Go up. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go up. Yeah, there you go. Close, close. Yeah, there we go. Now we got our little wick. All right. Keep on going up so we can get excuse me, a swing high or a swing low. See, low here, boom, boom, right here. All right, let's get that. But we haven't gotten our we haven't gotten our change. It said delivery on the 5, so we have no confirmation. We can't go in. I guess that means we have to wait. No FOMO. I guess we have to wait. No FOMO. No FOMO. Let's just have fun, okay? All right, okay. You bring the fun into trading, and I bring the stress into trading. Let's meld it together. Yeah, you need stress. You need stress. Stress like wakes you up, brings you, gets your attention, but you don't need too much of it. Oh no, it didn't hit our. Oh, now look, it's going down. Should I chase it? Oh man, look at that 15 minute. Boom. Now we're coming back down. Here's our 60 minute. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yep, drawing liquidity here. Now we're coming down. Hourly. Oof. Now we're below the open on the hourly. 15 minute. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so looks like we might get our confirmation on the 5. We're coming back into this fair value gap which was taken. This 5 minute bearish order block here, or bullish order block is being taken. So you want to get your coins up. Here's your opportunity to get your $3,000. Yeah, we're looking for a short position. Maybe we can come back here to this 1 minute change instead delivery after we get this 5 minute change instead delivery. So we got 3 minutes left, but I can't wait 3 minutes. I gotta go. I gotta go now. I gotta go now. I'm gonna miss out on the opportunity. I don't want to miss out on the opportunity. I'm just playing around. I usually do listen to my house music. Right. This is a fair value gap which we may be able to enter in for a short position. Let's see. How high would price need to go? Yeah, how high would price need to go for us to, where would we want to go back to, retrace to for it to take us out? This is 10 points. If we were to have gotten there, this is 14. This bearish or the black, I want to see this hold. It's 15 points, I can afford that. If we can come back up here, then I'll consider taking a short position. Let's see if another fair value gap opens. Here's 10 points. 10 points is right here. 2 minutes left. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Now we're coming up. Now we're coming into this fair value gap here. This still has not changed. Still not a change in state delivery. Why is it that the change in state delivery is exactly where my entry will be on the 1? Yeah, but we don't have confirmation yet on the 5 that this is a change in state delivery. And we just took out internal range or external range liquidity here. Now we're going for internal, which on the 1 will be this one here. Yeah, so this would be, this is internal range liquidity right here, or external. Now this is where I wanted to get in, and this is where I would want to get out at, but given that we don't have a change in state delivery on the 5, I'm not interested in this. See how that works? Wow, somebody's improving. Yes, what you want to do. No, I was looking for a short position. Yeah, why not? But the thing is I'm looking at, again, this 4 hour. If we can close above this, then we're going to remain long. I'm looking at how we create this market maker model. It's better seen on the hourly. Stage 1, accumulation, boom, run up, stop here, come down, and we just wick these highs up here and retrace. So, all right, so this does look like way. Oh, we're in a new 15. Maybe we just hit that there. Still no confirmation on the 5 minute, so no trade for me. Because I have on my list here, change state of delivery confirmation. We gotta have that confirmation. We don't have it. Me not have it. So we're going into Q3. What do we expect in Q3? The last 10 minutes is here, so what's forming that? This is the sell side here. right below this 50 minute on the sell side here. New York open. Yeah, this happened at during the 9:30 50-minute interval candle. I know what it won't do, won't trick us up, so we're good. Because we got our rules, we got a plan, we got discipline, we got FOMO, and we know where FOMO be at. We good. This here is a three. Look at this range right here. They call this what do they call this? Seek and destroy. Take up both sides of the liquidity pools. Now we're stuck within this range. We do nothing, especially in strat. We do nothing right now. In this situation. You want to fight it with me? Let's 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 use our that's true. Let's use our mouse as a weapon and let's start clicking a button to fight the market. Let's do yeah. Buy, sell. I'm gonna fight you. I ain't doing none of that. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with that. So again, here's stage one. Here's our stage two. We ran up. Why do we need why do we need displacement? I don't I don't I don't understand that. Fine. Well, can you explain to me? Look how we just come in the bullshit black, boom, run up, no fair value gaps for us to retrace to. Can you explain to me why we need so displacement is a close above here, right? It will be a close above. Is that displacement? So why do we need a close above here for anything versus just a run on stops here? Oh yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure. I appreciate you taking my lingo, using it. All right, all right. Let's play this game here. And I'm not. I mean, we can log in into a paper trade account and let's press the button. Okay? Let's press the button. Now look what just happened. Now look. Oh my goodness. So here we are. Draw liquidity. Draw liquidity. Now we're looking for a market structure shift. Maybe these relative lows down here. You don't have to be in trade of it. You can be in trading view. Oh, okay. So fair value gap here. Yeah. Mental capital. No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. There's, excuse me. This is just practice. Just practice. Pressing the button. So, all right. Well, you can be my accountability partner. So, external range, internal range, bull short block. This is where I would take a long here. So, press the button. This is where I'm in. 10-point stop loss will be below this bull short block, which fine. If we close below that bull short block, I'll take my loss. And here we are. Where are we at right here? We're not in a discount. This is a premium. Swing low, inverse fair value gap on 15. Let's see if this can hold. If we inverse this here, I expect the fair value gaps to be in here. Price come up, down into it. I'll be entering that and continue going up. But we'll see. Yep. What? Yeah, so we took external, now internal. Bullish order block is where we can take orders at, or fair value gap. So I took the order at this bullish order block after we get the swing low. Now we have an inverse fair value gap. This is confirmation. See if we can ride this for 25 points. And if we can, huh? Bam, 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 bam. So look here. Like, how high can we go? How high can we go? Well, let's take a look at what we've had before, son. We've got this thing right here, son. We got this hourly drop. 2.5 standard deviation is right here. We might be able to come up here. Right here. Boom, boom, boom. That's. Oh, wait, 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 wait. Yeah. Oh, that's right here. Right here. I mean, you the one that told me, Tracy, you cannot be so stressed. You gotta have fun. All right, fine. You know, it's interesting. Aries are very silly. I'm a very silly person. My family can't stand me. Only person that understands me is my auntie, and she's an Aries as well. She understands everything. But my other family members, oh come on, we just we just inversed this, and now it's oh my God, what the freak? This stuff doesn't work. ICT's a scam. ICT's a scam. This doesn't work. I'm about to post that. I'm about to post that in movie. ICT is a scam. This stuff doesn't work. Oh man. I only post the stuff that people will never admit to in that group chat, which is losing, frustration, and all that stuff. I think we might just consolidate. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you. Trying to tell you. Trying to tell you. I can be better than I was yesterday. I can be better than I was yesterday. I bet you that. Look at this. We came right back down to this bullish order block right here. Boom, boom. See that? We just waked into it. Did I get scared? No. Bullish order block supporting us. Where's my fair value? Where's my stop loss? Below this bullish order block. OMG. And this is 10 points. This is Argentinian. Argentinian, yeah. What? 123%? May 14th. Ah, that's almost like a week ago. Ooh. This stuff doesn't work. I'm just gonna be a teacher and make my money off of teaching what you call it. I'm just playing around. Look, bullet short of block, bullet short of block. Let's see these bullet short of blocks can hold. Bullet short of block, bullet short of block. We have one here, 1 minute bullet short of block. This was holding pretty nicely. Do we have any more knowns? Come on, help me out, Adeline. Do we have any more knowns? What is our known right here? Yeah, yes, we do. We have this swing high here. We have this Y here. We have our quad. We're up in the upper quadrant of this price leg and this fair value gap here. Looks like it wants to support us or inverse. Yeah, inverse. All right, this is in the way. So right now we're just consolidating between this here, going on to Q4. Oh, the 10 o'clock news driver came out. It did nothing. All right, come on. Let's trade now. Bullish short of block, boom. I want to see my stop loss get hit, and then I'll know how to. Then that means I had a really good mitigation, very good mitigation play. That means I had a successful trade. What this thing here? Oh, we closed above. We displaced above on the 4 hour. I think we might go higher. I think we might go higher. Let's see if we have any internal range on these. I don't see any internal range on the. Maybe we get an immediate rebalance right here at 8:05 on the hourly. Yeah, other than that, the only internal range I see is at this 15 minute, this bullish for the black here at this 15 minute, which kind of aligns with this fair value gap here on the immediate rebalance on the hourly. So maybe we can come down there. Other than that, on the 5, I don't see nothing on the 5. On the 5, I don't see anything on the 5 we can come back down to. Yeah, I mean the yeah, these are my three time frames, my three whatchamacallit time frames. The lowest is a 15. The lowest is a 15. Do you realize that I had perfect execution for no, for like not getting in the short position because we didn't get a change instead delivery right here. We didn't get it. I didn't get it. I didn't go in because I knew the risk reward ratio wasn't the best without that change instead delivery. What does that tell you about me? No, like we this morning we came in thinking, oh, let's go short. I'm like, we're not. I was like, I'm not going short until we get this change instead delivery. We never got this change instead delivery, so I was like, shorts are off. Yeah, we went down, but it was just a stop hunt here and barely here. And I'm saying that we stayed out of it. I stayed out of it because we didn't get that confirmation. Because that's one of the things on my piece of paper. And who taught me about confirmation? We got a accumulation right here. Boom. This is our handy dandy one. Yeah. I want to see, but we know what's going on in other time frames. What I want to see is this more consolidation, more consolidation. I want to see 3 layers of consolidation. Here we go. Stop loss gonna get hit. Boom, I'm out. How about that? Okay, here we go. 15-minute order block. Boom, it just hit that. This could just be our manipulation leg. Immediate, it's over, so it's balanced. So now we hit that 15-minute order block. I'll take a trade here for longs. We came to this fair value gap. For what? On the a bullish? Yeah, we did go to OT. Good call. But we do have this 1 minute change of set delivery that we want to fight. So at this point, like, where do we look next? On the 15? Yeah. All right, so I got stopped out. $30. Uh, $30 stop loss. Uh, so we boom hit this internal. Now we're back here. Boom. I don't see anything though. Sure, sure.